Okay, generally I'll start with the experience of mine from yesterday. So the last, especially the last session, that was really inspiring. It made me think what I have been doing in the organization as such. It's been 6 months I have joined the UST, and it's kind of a refresher course for my objectives and an assessment about the goals. It could be the technical stuff and also the management stuff as such. And I have written some points which I would be doing it for the next 3 to 6 months or so. I think it's going to really work well for me as such. Giving the power to the ground people who are the software engineers and the testers, and it could be the HR people who would be joining as a fresher, and also the experienced people. Giving power to them is much more needed, and giving importance to the skills, listening to them, and taking feedback back to the managers. And it's more of a open mindset related organization, and the management style I really like. It would work really well, and I hope all the best for the team as well.
Thank
Oh
you.
yes. I mean, to say it frankly, in my team members, most of them are working from home as of now. So they did get to know about it last week, but since they are not in Bangalore as such, they were a little reluctant. So basically, they were actually waiting for my feedback once the program is done. So I think the next program that it happens within 2-3 months or so, whenever it is in planned, I think most of them will be subscribing for it.